sexy. Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay ang nanay. Ang hindi pumalakpak ng may kasamang sigawan, susunod ang tatay. Ngunit kapag hindi pinagsabay ang masigabong palakpakan at hiyawan, ang Sabino ay masusunugan. Joke lamang po. Hello, hi mabuhay. This is Allen Pascual Aquino, 25, all the way from Barangay Chante de Leon, Valenzuela City. And I'm proud to say that I finished with the Grade Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education at Santa Cecilia College. And I'm humbled to share to everyone that I am a graduate of cum laude. And also, I'm proud to say that I am a licensed professional teacher. I-check niyo ba po sa peers account, hindi po ako nagkakamali. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, your one and only. Meron ka bang lemon? Ang hina. Meron ka bang lemon? Your one and only, Miss Tony Fowler. Miss Tony Fowler po na nagsasabi, Kuya, kung naiinitan ka, pwede kang pumunta sa bahay, naka-Netflix ka pa, naka 24 hours aircon ka pa. Thank you!